Hello everybody and welcome to Shouldit. Today we're installing this InSinkErator EVOLUTION Advanced 3/4 horsepower. Let's do it. Now let's check out the components for the installation. First, let's talk about the mounting assemblies. We have here the stopper, the baffle piece, the snap ring. Here's the mounting ring, backup flange, rubber gasket, and sink flange. For tools, we will be using this wrench jet from InSinkErator, the screwdriver, and plumber's putty. Let's use plumber putty and establish a seal around the edge of the sink flange. Then push the pieces down to remove the excess putty. I use the machine to keep the piece in place. Now remove the excess putty from under the sink. Now put in order the fiber gasket, the backup flange, the mounting ring, and the snap ring. Now use your screwdriver and do the bolt and tighten the bolt. When you finish with the mount, hang the disposal on. With this particular disposal, rotate the body. We also rotate the ring. To finish up, use the wrench to secure the collar ring to the mount. Thanks for watching Shouldit, and we'll see you in the next review.